In this video, I am going to teach you how to restrict access to files in Microsoft Teams. This is useful when you only want specific people to see or edit what you share. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Go to the Microsoft Teams application and sign into your account. Double check that you are signed in to the correct workspace for the file you want to manage. Go to the chat that contains the file you want to restrict. Make sure you open the exact chat where you originally shared the file. Click the file to open it from the chat. Wait a few seconds for it to load completely. Now the browser will pop up with your file open in SharePoint or OneDrive. Choose the Share button at the top of the page to change access settings. You can customize the access for the file. You can select specific people and choose if they have permission to edit or to view only. When you're done, click Apply. And that's how you restrict file access in Microsoft Teams. If this guide helped you, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!